How to log in another account in Instagram without password. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log into another account in Instagram without password. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is, of course, open up your Instagram. Now to log in into another account, you might want to long press on your profile and then tap on add Instagram account. After you do that, tap on login. After you do that, you will see the option to type in your username. Simply type in your username. And after you type in your username, you will see the option to type in your password. Now, if you don't want to use your password, tap on forgot password. Now, you will simply need to type in your username. I'll do that. And after you type in your username, simply tap on continue. After you do that, you'll get two options. One is to get code via Instagram notification on the devices where you're logged in, or get the code on your email. So I'll just tap on get code via email, tap on continue, and now I should get an email. So make sure that your email is opened up, and after you get the email, you will simply need to type in your code. So just wait for it. After you get the code, simply type the code in. I just opened up my email and checked, and the code was there. And after you type in the code, you can tap and continue, and then you'll get logged in into your account. So there you go. Yeah, that is how you do it. Thanks for watching, guys. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.